All right, everybody. Welcome back for another one. And I wanted to put together a video for you guys actually showing you how to use the Binance Smart Chain to interact with decentralized exchanges on the protocol, such as Pancake Swap or Cheese Swap or Jewel Swap. All right, you can use all of them the same way. But anyway, Pancake Swap is the most popular with the highest volume. So that's the one we're going to use today, and I'll show you the other ones if you want to use those as well. But anyway, so I'm going to walk you through it step by step as if I haven't set it up yet. So I will put this article link in the description along with my Discord. If you haven't joined that already, definitely do that as well. It's free to use and we share a lot of valuable information in there. But anyway, so I'm not going to go through the whole article with you. I'll just put it in there in case you're a reader, but it's actually extremely simple and I'm just going to show you how to do it. So first and foremost, if you haven't already, you need to go here and download MetaMask, because as I've shown you before, MetaMask is going to be crucial for you going forward, especially this year as we enter a bull market. At least I see a big alt season coming, and maybe two, who knows. But anyway, you're going to want to have MetaMask because it's going to allow you to have access to Uniswap, Pancake Swap, you name it, DEX as well. So all these different decentralized exchanges you can use are all going to be most easily accessed with MetaMask. Anyway, so download this. Once you have that downloaded, right, you would come here to this article and walk through it, but I'm just going to show you. All right, so you can drop it down as an extension, and what you're going to want to do is click up here, this little circle icon, and go to settings, and then you go to networks, and you want to add a network. All right, and it's going to give you this blank slate that you need to fill out. All right, so what you're going to do, this is right in the article as well, but I just copy pasted it because it makes it easy for me. But anyway, so you grab this. All right, network name is going to be Smart Chain, and then your URL. All right, and then number 56 for the chain ID, and then BNB for the symbol, and then bsscan.com for the lost it. All right, we're going back. All right, you get it. So Block Explorer, BSC scan. All right, then you would click save. As you can see here, for me, when I put this in, it already said URL is already present in an existing list of networks, which it is because I already have it set up. But anyway, once you fill all that in, it's really easy, step by step. Click save, right? And then you will have it in your drop downs. See, I have the Elastos sidechain as well in here, as I've shown you. I have the Ethereum mainnet. Everyone's gonna have that. But anyway, it will come in here as Smart Chain, right? So you'll have it in there. Anyway, once you've had that set up, what you have to do to get some money over here in the Pancake Swap is you're going to have to go over to Binance and you're going to have to purchase some crypto that interacts with the Binance Smart Chain. And the easiest way to do that would be BNB, obviously, because you know that one does. Or you could also do BUSD as well. But anyway, so for this example, you would just do BNB, right? Easy to do. And you want to come down here and click Binance Smart Chain, right? Because if you click this, it's not going to let you send to the Smart Chain. So anyway, you click Binance Smart Chain and you're going to want to put so you would come up here, pull your extension down again, MetaMask. Your address is going to be at the top here. Click copy to keyboard and then you would go the address bar. Notice how I didn't get a warning or anything. That means I'm sending to the right address. If I did this on Binance Chain with the BEP2, it will give you this address does not match warning. All right. So Binance Smart Chain, make sure you don't get the warning, and your MetaMask address is always going to start with 0x. All right. So then you would go and just hit send it over to this MetaMask address, Binance Smart Chain. Make sure you're on that BSC. All right. And then you'll send it over, and then simple as that, you will get the money over here in the exchange. I sent over BUSD, and like I said, you can send whatever interacts with this protocol. I would just use BNB or BUSD. Both are going to work. All right, but as you see in here, this is going to allow you to swap similar to Uniswap, except it's not going to have any fees essentially. So you got Cardano in there you could buy if you felt like trading in and out. A lot of big name ones, right? Atom, Basic Attention Token, Bitcoin Cash. You got your beer in case you need to buy some beer token. All right. Going down the list, you see here, there's PANCAKE, which this one might be, honestly, a good crypto with potential moving forward. Got Compound, Dice. Might need some Dice, right? Ethereum, Filecoin. All right, you get it, so on. There's plenty of options to choose from. And the cool part, there's Kava as well. The cool part is, like I said, you got all these options to do decentralized exchange, but you're not going to have the ridiculous, outrageous, excessive fees of Ethereum that the miners are just raking in at your expense. Okay? So there you have it. It's pretty straightforward. Not too hard to do. It's literally just as easy as withdrawing off of Binance to Binance Smart Chain. All right, but you got to have the MetaMask set up, and then you can do all you want to do with your PANCAKE swaps. All right. So if you have any interest, definitely check that out. All right. A couple other things I wanted to point out to you guys that I noticed. So if you come over here to CoinMarketCap and you click the drop down in the upper right and you click exchanges, you can see all the different decentralized exchange options that exist. This is important to look after, right? Because these are all things you can invest in as well, right? The MDEX token, Uniswap, PANCAKE, Sushi, Burger, and so on. But as you can see, PANCAKE is quickly gaining on Uniswap as far as 24-hour volume. I think it's passed it at a few times as well. But if you come over to the tokens, Uniswap sits at a 16.8 $16.8 billion market cap, whereas where's our PANCAKE? Way down here, coming at number 60 at 1.5 billion. So which one do you think has more upside short term? All things equal, if you're measuring token value based on volume on the exchange, you would say that PANCAKE has, a good 7 times growth or so to get up to Uniswap, and roughly half the volume now. So you could see 3-4 times gain there if it were matching comparatively with volume. But anyway, you get it. 1.5 billion versus 16.8, and their volumes are only half in difference. So another thing I noticed when I was going through these decentralized exchanges and so on, right over here, I've been big on NEX, so I like to watch this stuff. So the 24-hour volume of NEX has been skyrocketing, right? So it's up 772% today for the exchange volume. That's a big growth. All right, so it's right on the tail of Aave, and I like to compare these, right? Because so Aave's sitting over here at $414 a piece with 5.1 billion in market cap, whereas NEX is at, let's just search for it real quick. NEX is at $2.67 with a market cap of only 78 million. So which one would you rather have? The one that is not even double in volume at 5 billion or the one that is riding up close on it at 77 million, right? You get what I'm talking about, right? So next is an up and comer, deep sleeper. Still, if DEXs are the way, well, the Nash exchange is the best in my opinion. So especially at this valuation, we'll see what happens. Just wanted to point that out for you because I thought that there was some imbalance there and the market hasn't quite figured things out yet. That should wrap it up though. Like I said, all of these have tokens that you can invest in: MDEX, Uniswap, Pancake, Sushi, Burger, 1inch, Nex, Balancer, whatever, you get it. So if you have any interest, this is clearly the trend of the year and I don't see it slowing down. So hope that was informative. As always, please like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.
Paper money is going away.
Yes.
And crypto is a far better way to transfer value than pieces of paper. That's for sure.
Without a doubt.
That has its pros and cons.
Just to clarify, Tesla's not going to start selling Bitcoin anytime soon. Okay, you heard it here first, even though everyone thought that.
Yeah, right.